community. You can all read a newspaper. Louise Upston has asked that I don't attend, and I am in total agreement with her for the following reason, that her and I will be sending a joint statement there tomorrow night. We are both working with the police and the probation service at the moment, and there will be a meeting not this Friday but the following Friday in Turangi that Louise and I will both be attending, and hopefully that meeting will have some resolve from, yes, I'll come to you, Councillor Henderson. Hopefully that meeting is going to have some resolve that we're getting with the prison service and the probation service as to the process moving forward about putting these people back into the community. So the central government is very, very aware of the issues, and of course it's been exacerbated by the, the beast of Blenheim. Turangi is parochial, and I don't blame them. Whilst you're free to go to the meeting, of course you are. You're free to do anything you wish. We've discussed that. Louise and I will put in apologies, but there will be something for you to read out tomorrow night, and I'll have it to you by then from Louise and I as a joint statement, and a following meeting the following Friday at a time still to be set. Okay, Councillor Henderson.
I'd suggest that, as you did, that getting our information, because we can all read the papers, is probably not a good source on which to base opinions and decisions on. I've been attempting to get information on this matter from Mary Smallman, a member of the Community Board in Turangi, who's circulated a number of emails about it, but haven't been able to contact her. So my request is, given that this is obviously a very high profile and emotive issue, could we actually be briefed properly and given some background on it? Because we haven't received anything. I'm hearing opinions being expressed, the issue being talked about in general terms, but there's no facts that I can find without going directly to perhaps Department of Corrections myself to actually background this matter and get an understanding of it.
Yep, that's fine. That's why that meeting's been put off till